Creating stunning images with this free AI tool is an absolute breeze. And when I say free, I mean truly free. Unlimited creations with top-notch quality? Yes, please. Don't just take my word for it. Check out these amazing images I made, all without spending a dime. Whether you are into realistic art, anime, line art, 3D animations, or even experimenting with a flux model, this tool has got everything you need. Dive in and let your creativity run wild. The tool I am talking about is Piclumen. Let's head over to their official website, and I will show you how to use it. But first, let me give you a quick tour of what their site offers. Piclumen isn't just about making images, it's a powerhouse for creativity. Whether you are into concept, art design, character design, or logo creation, they have got you covered. But wait, there's more. They also feature tools for fashion design, product imagery, architecture, book illustrations, game assets, indoor designs, portraits, flyers, and even e-commerce visuals. And that's just scratching the surface. There's a whole world of possibilities waiting for you on their site. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. With Piclumen, the possibilities are endless. Not only can you create stunning images, but you can also remove backgrounds, upscale your visuals, and even colorize them if you'd like. One of the coolest features? The ability to use image references. This is a game changer, especially when you need consistent characters or designs. Piclumen offers a range of models to choose from, including realistic version 2, anime, line art, and even pony diffusion for those fun cartoon-style creations. And of course, you also get access to the powerful Flux model. Whether you are dreaming up realistic art, cartoons, or something totally unique, this tool delivers top-quality results every time. The best part? Whatever you can do with expensive paid tools, you can now do with Piclumen completely free and without any limitations. It's a creator's paradise. Getting started with Piclumen is super simple. To get started, click on Launch App at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, sign up using your Google account or any other email. Once you are in, you will land on the main page, where you will find a gallery of images created by other users. These images span various styles and categories. You can click on any image to see its prompt and the details of how it was created. This is a fantastic way to learn and refine your own prompt writing skills. On the left side, click on Create. In the current version, you can choose from realistic, art, anime, line art, pony diffusion, and flux models. You can also change the aspect ratio to fit your specific needs, e.g., social media posts, wallpapers, etc. Adjust the number of images to generate at once. In Advanced Settings section, you will find additional controls to fine-tune your creations. Guidance Scale. This adjusts how closely the generated image follows your text prompt. Steps. The number of steps used to create the image. Higher steps can result in more detailed and polished images. Explore, experiment, and let your creativity shine. Let's dive in and test it out with a simple prompt like, a cute kitten playing on the beach. Choose a model. I will start with the realistic model. Click Generate. Once I hit Generate, it's just a matter of seconds, and in under a minute, the image is ready. Just look at the details. Everything from the kitten's fur to the reflections on the sand is crystal clear. Now, let's try the same prompt with the Flux model. Here's the result. The fur texture, shadows, and overall quality are absolutely stunning. It's like the puppy could jump right out of the screen. The image quality is beyond impressive. Piclumen truly takes your creativity to the next level. Next, let's create something stunning. A real human photo. A hyper-realistic image of a beautiful woman with a vintage cinematic background. I will stick with the realistic model. After clicking Generate, we wait for the magic to happen. And here it is. The result is breathtaking, perfectly suited for vintage historical film vibes, with every detail capturing that classic cinematic charm. Now let's switch things up. I will replace vintage with vibrant in the prompt, a hyper-realistic image of a beautiful woman with a vibrant background. Another quick click, and we are off. The result? Absolutely mind-blowing. The vibrant colors bring the image to life, giving it a modern, dynamic feel, while keeping the details sharp and realistic. For a completely free tool, Piclumen truly delivers top-tier results. It's creativity unleashed. Now let's try a more detailed prompt for even greater control. This time I will include specific elements like a beautiful woman, a red car, a cafe, and a cinematic background. After generating, the results are amazing. Every detail is spot on. The woman, the car, the cafe, and the cinematic backdrop all come together perfectly. But wait, there's an issue. Another lady wasn't supposed to be there. No worries, we can fix that easily. I will open the In-Paint tool. If needed, I will resize the brush for precision. I will carefully brush over another lady. With a quick click on Submit, we wait a few seconds, and the image is now fixed and it looks perfect. This tool makes editing so simple and seamless. It's like having a pro-level editor at your fingertips. Now, let's switch things up and try the anime model with the same prompt. Using the prompt, a beautiful woman, a red car, a cafe, and a cinematic background. After clicking Generate, the result is stunning. The anime model captures the scene with vibrant colors and expressive details, giving it that classic anime aesthetic. What do you think about this free tool? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Next, I will use the line art model with the same prompt. The result? A clean and detailed sketch that beautifully outlines all the elements, perfect for comic book or artistic designs. What's even cooler is that you can take this line art and colorize it to match your personal style or project needs. The creative possibilities with Piclumen are endless. Next, let's take things up a notch by using the Flux model. For this, I will tweak the prompt slightly by adding 3D Pixar animation at the end. A beautiful woman, a red car, a cafe, a cinematic background, and 3D Pixar animation. After clicking Generate, the result is incredible. The image has that signature Pixar-style charm, vibrant, detailed, and full of character. The quality is absolutely top tier. Now let's go back to a realistic style. I will simply remove 3D Pixar animation from the prompt. A beautiful woman, a red car, a cafe, and a cinematic background. Once again, Flux doesn't disappoint. The image looks hyper-realistic, with every detail, lighting, textures, and composition executed perfectly. Honestly, Flux is hands down one of the best models for generating images. The quality it delivers is just mind-blowing. Now let me show you how to create consistent characters with Piclumen. Upload your character image right here and click on it. For the image ref style, select Character Ref, write a simple prompt and hit Generate, and here are the results. The character remains consistent across the variation, perfect for storytelling or animation projects. Next, let's upscale the image for better resolution. Click on Upscale, and within seconds the image is enhanced. The result? A higher quality, sharper version of your character that's ready for use. Now, let's try content reference to experiment with styles. Upload your image again, write a simple prompt, and click Generate. This feature is fantastic if you want to transform your own image into various styles, from realistic to animated or artistic. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy creating and goodbye.